Hello, Andrews. Look at this. Look at this excellent photo.
This excellent photo of a
Drawing.
pornographic dog.
I don't think it's pornographic though, because see how he's scraping his rear?
Our dog doesn't do that.
So this is like, maybe he's trying to, after he eats some grass, do a little cleanup. That'd be my guess. But look at this nice font. Isn't that nice?
Yes.
And this custom wrapping paper. Is this like
It's
what
right.
you put down first when you're pouring a slab? I'm just wondering. It looks like fancy paper. Look at this now. Look at this so far.
Oh, what do you think it is? And something antibacterial, I see.
Feminine cleansing nozzle.
What? Oh my word, Jake! What did you get?
What did you get, Jake?
Feminine cleansing nozzle.
Sasha, was this your idea? Posterior cleansing nozzle.
Oh no, I know what this is.
Ultra slim.
Ultra slim bidet.
Look at this.
Whoa.
This is a model A8808 fanny blaster. When we were in Thailand, they call these a bun gun.
Yes.
Bun gun. Let's check this baby out. I'm going to start using this immediately.
I had no idea I thought it was a joke at first when I read the feminine hose thing.
I
was like,
see why the doggy was.
Yes,
scooting
now
on the
I know, I get
now
it.
it makes more sense.
Thank you, Jake and
Look
Sasha.
at this. How do you get water? Do you have to run it over to your faucet? Oh, probably just from the toilet water. It's not going to be like warm. It's going to be like, refreshing.
So we'll get hard water stains on our posterior.
It has a feminine cleansing nozzle.
Oh, okay.
Look at this.
Wow, how is that going to do anything?
So what it does is you sit on it and this goes around like this. And it's like a sprinkler.
Seriously?
And this is for the feminine side.
Really? Jeff has no idea. It looks like a boomerang.
This is the male side, see? And then this is the female side. You can see the difference. You see how this one spins?
Well,
And this one spins too?
yeah, I don't know
And then
how
what
that's
you do
going
is
to
you
work.
stick your hand down in the commode, you splash water up through this. Obviously, we need to do a little more reading.
Maybe we should read the instructions first. But thank
you
you.
guys for thinking of us.
Thank you so much. That's so awesome. You guys are the best.
Love you
Best
guys.
gift givers. Thank you very much.